the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people. So important, so critical in every area of your life. 10 and 3. 10 and 3. I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should attend church every Sunday. Can I get someone to type in the word every? Go ahead and type it in. Every. 10 reasons why you should attend church every Sunday. Hey, listen, I'm Dr. Fred Jones, the book coach. I am a United States Supreme Court attorney. I am an ordained minister. I am a business law and ethics professor, and I'm the best-selling author of the book, Dr. Fred Jones Speaks, Publish Me Now. I'm the creator of the Write Your Worth Conference, and I'm the president of Publish Me Now University. Hello, Reverend Harris Jr. Good to see you, sir. I believe you're from Winsboro there, sir. Good to see you. I said every. Hello, Veronica Hill. I'm going to give you 10 and 3. 10 reasons. Hello, Reverend Harris. Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. Okay, this is going to be short. This is going to be good. It's going to be like boom, boom, boom. Go ahead and invite your followers. You know you got some followers who need to get up this morning and go to church. You know you got some friends who are laying on that pillow right now saying, I don't think I'm going to go to church today. Let's invite those followers and let's tell them to go to church today. I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should go to church every Sunday. Okay? Number 1, you should go to church because of community. You want to stay in community. Number 2, your gift. You get to use your gifts. You get to use your gifts. Number 3, you get to discover your purpose. Discover your purpose. Number 4, you get to find connections. You build friendships. Okay? Number 5, so that you can worship in community, so that you could worship. Number 6, you're going to learn the Word of God. You're going to learn the Word of God. Number 7, you get to participate in missions. Okay? Number 8, you get to practice generosity. You get to practice giving. Number 9, you go so that you can build lifelong friendships. Lifelong friendships are built when you go to the house of God. Number 10, you get to enjoy good food. Hello, somebody. You get to enjoy good food, good friendships, and good fellowships. That's 10 reasons why you should go to church every Sunday. And can I give you a number 11? You get to give back to the community. You get to support the woman of God, the man of God. You get to push the Word of God forward. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, the book coach, saying the most expensive thing you'll ever pay is attention to the wrong people. Bye-bye.